Imagine working for 40 years, waking up early, driving through traffic, saving carefully, paying bills, sacrificing vacations, skipping things you wanted, all for one dream, a peaceful retirement. And then one day, you finally retire, only to realize your savings are disappearing faster than expected. That's happening to millions of retirees right now. And the scary part? Most people don't even realize they're making these retirement mistakes until it's too late. Today, we're going to talk about the 7 biggest retirement mistakes that silently destroy savings and how financially smart retirees avoid them. Because retirement is no longer just about stopping work. It's about making sure your money survives as long as you do. Let's get into it. Mistake number 1, retiring too early. This is one of the biggest financial mistakes people make. A lot of people dream about retiring early, and emotionally, it sounds amazing. No alarms, no office politics, no stressful meetings. But financially, early retirement can become extremely dangerous if you're not prepared. Why? Because retirement today lasts much longer than it did decades ago. In the past, people retired around 65 and often lived another 10 to 15 years. Today, many retirees live 25 to 30 years after retirement. That means your portfolio may need to survive 3 entire decades without a paycheck coming in. Now add inflation, healthcare costs, market crashes, emergencies, and suddenly early retirement becomes much riskier, especially if you retire in your late 50s, because now you're withdrawing money earlier while giving investments less time to grow. And many retirees underestimate how expensive life becomes later. A lot of people think, my expenses will go down after retirement. Sometimes they do, but many retirees actually spend more. Traveling, eating out, helping family, paying healthcare bills. And those expenses add up fast. This is why many financial experts say, retirement isn't about escaping work as early as possible. It's about building enough financial security to survive comfortably for decades. Mistake number 2, claiming Social Security too early. This one costs retirees thousands of dollars every single year. Many Americans claim Social Security at age 62. Why? Because they want income immediately. But here's the problem. Claiming early permanently reduces your monthly benefit. And most people don't fully understand how powerful delaying can be. For example, someone claiming at 62 might receive around $1,800 monthly, but waiting until full retirement age, or even age 70, could increase that dramatically, sometimes over $3,000 per month. And remember, that higher amount continues for life. That means delaying Social Security can potentially add hundreds of thousands of dollars over retirement. Now, of course, everyone's situation is different. Some people genuinely need the money early, but many retirees claim early simply because they panic, they underestimate longevity, or they don't understand the math, and that decision follows them forever. Mistake number 3, ignoring inflation. Inflation is one of the most dangerous retirement killers because it works silently. You don't notice it immediately, but year after year, your money buys less. Groceries rise, insurance rises, healthcare rises, housing rises. Everything slowly becomes more expensive. A retiree spending $50,000 annually today may need $67,000 in 15 years. Over $90,000 in 30 years, just to maintain the same lifestyle. That's the scary part. You don't need to become richer to feel poorer. Inflation slowly weakens purchasing power over time, and retirees are especially vulnerable because many live on fixed income sources. This is why wealthy retirees usually keep part of their portfolio invested for growth, not just safety. Because your retirement portfolio isn't fighting one enemy. It's fighting time itself. Mistake number 4, depending on only one income source. This is a huge mistake. Many retirees depend entirely on Social Security, or pension income, or investment withdrawals. That creates financial vulnerability. Wealthy retirees usually diversify income streams. They may combine Social Security, dividend income, rental income, investments, bonds, pensions, part-time consulting, cash reserves. Why does this matter? Because diversification creates stability. If one source weakens, others continue supporting you. Think about it like this. A table with one leg collapses easily. A table with multiple legs becomes stable. Financially successful retirees understand this very well. They don't rely on one stream. They build financial ecosystems. Mistake number 5, carrying debt into retirement. Debt becomes far more dangerous after retirement. Why? Because your earning power usually decreases. During working years, you can recover from mistakes faster. But after retirement, debt can slowly trap people financially, especially mortgages, car loans, credit card balances, personal loans. A retiree with $800,000 saved and no debt may actually feel financially freer than someone with $1.5 million and massive monthly payments, because cash flow matters more than appearances. This is why many wealthy retirees aggressively reduce debt before retirement. A paid-off home dramatically lowers monthly stress. And financially, lower expenses can be just as powerful as higher income. Mistake number 6, underestimating healthcare costs. This is one of the most underestimated retirement expenses in America. And honestly, it scares a lot of retirees for good reason. Healthcare costs continue rising every year. Long-term care facilities can cost $80,000 to over $120,000 annually. Assisted living costs continue increasing. And Medicare does not cover everything. One major medical issue can dramatically impact retirement savings, especially later in life. This is why financially prepared retirees think about healthcare early, not when a crisis arrives. They plan for insurance, long-term care, emergency savings, healthcare inflation, because healthcare is often the difference between comfortable retirement and financial stress. Mistake number 7, retiring without a purpose. This mistake surprises people because retirement isn't only a financial transition, it's also emotional. For decades, work gives people structure, routine, identity, social interaction, purpose. Then suddenly, all of it disappears, and many retirees become lonely, depressed, emotionally lost. Even wealthy retirees experience this. Some studies show happiness often drops shortly after retirement if people lose daily meaning and routine. That's why the happiest retirees usually continue learning, volunteering, mentoring, traveling, building hobbies, staying socially active. Financial wealth alone does not guarantee emotional fulfillment. Retirement should not only be about escaping work. It should be about building a meaningful life. What wealthy retirees do differently. Now here's the good news. Financially successful retirees usually follow certain habits consistently. They live below their means, avoid emotional spending, diversify investments, focus on cash flow, understand taxes, stay physically healthy, continue learning, avoid panic selling during market crashes, maintain emergency savings, and most importantly, they know their numbers. They understand monthly expenses, withdrawal rates, healthcare risks, income streams, long-term sustainability. They don't financially wing it, and that creates confidence. The new retirement reality. Retirement has changed dramatically. Decades ago, pensions were common. Healthcare was cheaper. Life expectancy was shorter. Today, retirement is mostly self-funded, and modern retirees face inflation, market uncertainty, rising medical costs, longer lifespans. Retirement today is no longer just an age. It's a financial system you must build yourself. And avoiding these mistakes can make the difference between financial freedom and financial anxiety. At the end of life, retirement isn't just about money. It's about peace. It's about waking up without fear. It's about knowing your bills are covered, Your future is secure, and your time finally belongs to you. And avoiding these retirement mistakes may protect not just your savings, but your freedom. If you enjoyed this video, drop a like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments. Which retirement mistake do you think hurts people the most? Take care of yourselves, and take care of your money.